Hey guys, so today we're just going to run through the unboxing for the REMAX King Kong lightning cable. So this is available on Qoo10 here in Singapore. I just bought it to try it out, and let's see what's inside the box. So in the box it says your data cable, safe and speed, 1 meter. Lots of words on the packaging. So this is actually from Hong Kong. Let's run through the features. So it's double-sided USB, as we said earlier, TPE material. Point C says exudes a charm of Chanel smell. It's a bit of a sweet odor, but that's about it. Yeah. So here packaging on the address shows Hong Kong again, made in China, designed in Hong Kong. Yep. Yeah, it's a black cable. There's a few other colors like red, white, I think blue as well. Okay, let's open it up. So straight away you can see the cable heads are really shiny, nice glossy finish. It seems to be metal, not really sure. Has the REMAX brand. Double-sided USB as earlier mentioned. Nice ribbon cable, feels like a SATA cable if you guys know about computer hard drives. So let's open and see how long it is. It's rated to be 1 meter, so things look good. Really like the heads of the cable, the lightning cable as well as the USB, really nice. No caps for this model, but no one really uses those caps or keeps them, right? Okay, so that's about it. Quick unboxing, really good. Things work great. Data as well as charging. Hopefully this lasts longer than my original Apple cable, my Apple lightning cable, that things tend to start to fail after some usage of bending. Quite a good deal on Qoo10. It's about $4 something, including shipping. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing. Thank you guys.